Here are some tips for achieving a natural makeup look. Start with a good skincare routine. Taking care of your skin will give you a good base for your makeup. Use a light coverage foundation or a tinted moisturizer. Apply it with a beauty blender or a brush and blend it well into your skin. Conceal any blemishes or dark circles with a lightweight concealer. Use a small brush or your finger to blend the concealer into your skin. Add a touch of color to your cheeks with a cream or powder blush. Choose a shade that is close to your natural flush. Keep your eye makeup simple by using neutral eyeshadows such as browns or taupes. You can add definition to your eyes with mascara. Finish off your natural look with a nude or natural looking lip color. You can use a lip tint or a sheer lipstick. Remember, the key to a natural makeup look is to enhance your features rather than to cover them up. Keep your makeup light and avoid heavy or dark colors.